Have you ever seen a trap like this? It's an ancient bird-catching method perfected by hunters centuries ago. First, slender willow branches are carefully chosen, soaked in salt water, and left to dry under the shade. These treated branches are then bent into small loops and boiled briefly to soften them further. Next, a young, flexible oak twig is trimmed to about a hand's length, with one end carved into a fine point. The twig is notched near the tip and bent slightly to create tension. A thin hemp cord is fastened to the notched end of the twig. A willow loop is positioned over the bent twig, and finally a piece of crushed berry is placed inside the loop. When a bird pecks at the bait, the loop releases, causing the twig to snap upright and secure the catch. This technique not only captures birds swiftly, but also minimizes harm, showcasing the resourcefulness of traditional hunting methods.